the Atlas Cedar or Cedar atlantica. It is the most commonly seen form of three true cedars, the Lebanon cedar and the Deodar cedar and the Atlantic cedar. And it is blue, and it comes from a valley in Algeria, northwestern Africa. And it is tolerant to drought and limestone and is growing rapidly. And it has female flowers which are 1 centimeter big and bright green. And it has a bit of a form of a fir. The Lebanon cedar is a bit up and then a majestic crown at the top. The Atlantic is a bit more like that, like a fir. And that is according to Trees of Britain and Northern Europe, written by John Wilkinson and Alan Mitchell on the pages 24 and 25. The positions and views expressed are the ones of the source and don't necessarily align with my own or with the ones of the entities spoken of. Hi and welcome. I'm trying to learn Dendrology, today the Atlas Cedar, and after we've done what we're going to do shoulder impingement training, and if you participate in the shoulder impingement training, then it's at your own risk. The Atlas Cedar or Cedar atlantica. The form nearly always seen is this blue one from one valley in Algeria. So we said here we have three true cedars: the Lebanon cedar, the Atlas cedar, and the Deodar cedar. And which is the most commonly seen one is the Atlas cedar, which is more blue, and they are from a valley in Algeria, that is in northwestern Africa. It is tolerant of drought and limestones and grows rapidly. Tolerant of drought, tolerant to grow in limestone ground, and it's growing rapidly. The female flowers, only 1 centimeter tall, are bright green, so female flowers bright green, 1 centimeter, and at the centers of some of the words of leaves in September. No, you're not going to say that, I don't know what it means. Okay, the Atlas cedar, it is Cedar atlantica, and it is the most commonly seen one of three true cedars: Lebanon, Atlas, Deodar. It is blue. It is coming from a valley in Algeria, in northwestern Africa, tolerant of drought and limestone, and it grows rapidly. Has female flowers 1 centimeter tall, which are bright green. And it grows a bit in the form of a fir, so we're going to take the picture very so far accurate. A bit like a fir. The Lebanon is a bit up of the trees, and then the majestic, what was it? Majestic spreading specimen. So the majestic spreading crown, more like a fir. Okay. The Atlas Cedar or Cedar atlantica. It is the most commonly seen form of three true cedars: the Lebanon cedar and the Deodar cedar and the Atlantic cedar. And it is blue, and it comes from a valley in Algeria, in northwestern Africa. And it is tolerant to drought and limestone and is growing rapidly. And it has female flowers which are 1 centimeter big and bright green. And it has a bit of a form of a fir. The Lebanon cedar is a bit up and then a majestic crown at the top. The Atlantic is a bit more like that, like a fir. And that is according to Trees of Britain and Northern Europe, written by John Wilkinson and Alan Mitchell on the pages 24 and 25. The positions and views expressed are the ones of the source and don't necessarily align with my own or with the ones of the entities spoken of. That was the Dendrology part. If you were here for Dendrology, you can go directly to the next part of Dendrology. If you stay here and participate in the shoulder impingement training, it's at your own risk. And just stand good and still, shoulder circles. First the front. And now backwards. Breathe in the shoulders up, out, let them fall down. In and up, out and down, in and up, out and down. Arms to the sides and pull the shoulders in and to the outside. Again in, pinch them together. Out. Again in. And now up, push them up, high up, and press them down. High up and down. Now to the outsides down and to the insides up. With power. Out, down, in, up, and in, down, with pressure. Out, up, in, down, out, up, and again down, with effort, down, and up. And a few sharp circles again. Front, up, back, down. And now the arms up. Shrug the shoulders up, press them up, with effort. And release all again. Up. Shrug them up. But only do it all only if it does not cause pain. All at your own risk and only if it does not cause pain. If it causes pain, we don't do it. So the arms up. Shrug. Down. And again up. Shrug up with effort. And down. And arms to the side, so we go. Back. One arm in front. Back. Let's do them this way. Long arm back. One more time. And we'll also show them training. I thank you very much and have a next time.